Okay, this is holiday deals for the season. So I bought this brand new for 2022 Airblown Inflatable Wicked Pumpkin Creeper. So this is the one, and that it's got the eerie flickering lights like the graveyard ghosts have. So this one right here has a particularly found. So I wanted this right here. Yeah, but this one will go good with right next to the Airblown Inflatable animated witch crashing onto tree scene. So let's get this unboxed and get it inflated. Use your base sticks and tethers. Instructions. Now, this thing right here. Okay. See this? See the adapter plug right here, and this is just like that 9-foot tree with pumpkin ghost and candy corn on there. This is gonna be different, and I thought this one's gonna have the same cheap fan as that one. Now this is gonna be the perfect size right here. Let's get it plugged in. As you can see right here, and this one is starting to inflate right here, and look at it. And this one right here will go good right here. Once it's inflated, then we'll see how it looks like right here. Well, guys, this is going to be right here. So this is going to be right here where it's going to be. So thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you liked or followed or subscribed. Comment below to let us know when you think the next video would be. So thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you enjoy.